What's up, YouTube family? It's your man Young Carlos here from Kickclusive. Sorry for the delay on the videos. As some of you know, we opened a new store, so we've been out there working hard, but we're back on with the video. So let's get to the shoe of the day today. Here we got two Jordan 1 boxes. We got a man and kids. So as you can see, these are going to be the purple toes. Quality on these is amazing, just like the bread toes. You already know how the resale market on ones right now skyrocketed. So when these right now are reselling for a crazy number, as you can expect, because the market went up on ones. Also, by the time they release, they will also be hitting around the same price. The smaller size are going from $400 for men, which is 7.5 to 9.5, and for kids, I'm amazed at what they're doing at the moment, which is also $400. Some kids are even worth more than men's nowadays for the ones. But let's get to the review. Dope concept for 2018 and jumping into 19. Court purple is gonna be a very popular colorways. You're gonna see a lot of Nike, Adidas. They're gonna be throwing a lot of shoes. They're gonna be coming in this type of purple. You know, we got a soft tumble leather. The tumble leather on each shoe is gonna be different. So like this toe box is soft, but not as soft. This on the left shoe is actually even softer. You got the purple laces. The biggest difference on kids and men is that the men got a black tongue while kids got a white one. And then you can see their lace in a huge bag. Kind of funny looking. Get the inside of this one. It's gonna be the white with the purple Nike. Dope shoe. Definitely copying one myself. Got them available now. There's the back, the bottom. Soft tumble leather again. Feel like the toe box is softer than the inside one, but then the outside it's even a little more softer than the toe box. So it's funny. It's like we see on the bread toes and the other ones how the quality on each shoe changes. But a must cop. These are gonna drop September 15th. You get yours now at Kickclusive. Wait till release date. But the price on these are gonna be amazing. Up next, more quality picks and an unfair review. Enjoy.